Let's discuss the special tail of the rare Halfmoon Betta fish. There are three main types of Halfmoon Betta fish tail types: single tail, double tail, and special tail. The main types of special tails are feather tails, maple leaf tail, ruffle tail, petal tail. Wrinkled tail is also called folded tail, and heavy wrinkled tail. After the tail is unfolded, the layers are stacked one on top of the other. Very strong sense of wrinkles. Feather tail, as the name suggests, is like a feather. Each feather has a slightly pointed end. There are other naming for irregular fish tails. Maple leaf tail, everyone should have seen it. It looks like a maple leaf. Each maple leaf tail is connected, also has a regular form. Petal tail, also called rose tail, is characterized by a Halfmoon Betta tail fully displayed. There are still fishtail folds that cannot be opened, giving a superimposed feeling like rose petals. It seems to have a soft feeling. Transparent tail, the glass variety in the Halfmoon Betta. You can have any special tail, as long as you cultivate it carefully. Here is the CT venom, one of the black crown-tail betta. One CT was bred to have a perfect crown tail. Looks like Venom from the Spider-Man movie. That is why we name it Venom. This is an extremely high-end and rare performance. Global supply is not large. Aquila's back, half-moon upper and lower fins hooked forward. It's also very rare. Hard to find, the one with the highest price gets it. What else do you want to see? Tell me in the comment area.